If the Facebook app is not letting you post a comment, then in this video I will show you step-by-step fixes that actually work right now, how to fix this problem. Most people can solve this quickly, so let's get to commenting again. Fix 1. Quick and basic checks. Start with these simple steps because they fix most problems. First, switch your network. Turn Wi-Fi off and on, or switch to mobile data, then try commenting again. Next, restart your phone and force stop the app. Go to Settings, then Apps, App Management, or Manage Apps, depends on your phone model. Then find Facebook from the list. Tap on it, tap on Force Stop, and then reopen the Facebook. After that, log out and log back in. Tap Menu, scroll to the bottom, tap Logout, then log back into your account. Fix 2 is clear cache and data. Cache corruption is the #1 cause of this issue. Go to the settings again, then Apps, Manage Apps, and Facebook. Same to same, and right now you have to go to the Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache and confirm. This is safe and will not log you out. Now try commenting again. If it is still not working, go back and tap Clear Storage or Clear Data, then confirm, but this will log you out, so log back in after clearing. Fix 3 is update app and check for restrictions. Open the Google Play Store, search for Facebook and tap Update if available. New updates often fix bugs like this. Next, check if you have a temporary restriction. If you commented too fast, got reported, or Facebook thinks your activity is spam, you may be blocked for a short time. Go to Notifications or Support inbox by opening Menu, then Help and Support. Then Support inbox. If you see a message like you can't use this feature right now, it's a temporary block. The solution is to wait 24 to 32 hours as these restrictions usually lift automatically. You can also try commenting on your own posts or in different groups. If it works there, it confirms a temporary restriction. Fix 4 or last resort steps. If nothing else works, uninstall and reinstall Facebook. Long press the app icon, tap uninstall, then reinstall it from the Play Store and log in again. You can also try Facebook Lite from the Play Store. The lighter version often works when the main app has issues. Check downdetector.com/Facebook in your browser to see if Facebook is having a widespread outage. Try Facebook in a browser by opening facebook.com in Chrome. If commenting works there, the issue is app specific. On some versions, you can shake your phone inside the app to report a bug. Add a screenshot if possible, as this can sometimes speed up the fix. That's it. You should now be able to comment again on Facebook using Android. If this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more helpful fixes and tips.